What you doing? Damn.
Heating it up.
Huh?
Heating it up.
Look at me.
Huh? Ugh, fingers yourself. You got a small one.
I think this is dangerous. That's a burn ban.
I know pretty well did burn man so raised 3 days straight. Hit the steering wheel a little bit, just hit all this up, maybe we'll be alright. Woo! Burn, burn, burn.
I just to catch it on fire, dude.
No!
Just come on. You know how cool you be?
I'm fine.
Hold on. I bet these wet leaves won't catch on fire.
Put them money down.
Huh?
Put them money
What
down.
fuck's right
Right there.
Right there. Come on.
Dude, you're getting... I almost burnt your ass.
Look.
Mason.
Hold on. Hold the hell on. Huh?
Getting on my foot.
Told you. I told you we wasn't gonna be able to burn her. No, there's these back.
Yeah, look.
I told you. Told you.
They burning?
No. I'm seeing no flame yet.
There's a flame.
Burn the damn concrete. See if it'll budge. See if you can prep the road like the Street Outlaw boys.
No.
Dude, come on.
I can get all these damn leaves out of here. Because of y'all ass.
Try to prep the road.
Nigga. Try your road. Stir. Stir up a little bit of
The
hot
famous
water.
drag race the lawnmower under repair. JT blew the rear end and blew the motor at the same damn time. Rear end is sitting right there, and the motor's sitting right there. We waiting on new parts to come in. JT's over here fucking with shit.
Hey, I just gotta have a little fun first.
We gotta take the wheels off of it.
Why?
'Cause they fucked up too.
Nah. They still good. They still got a couple years on.
Couple years. Shit, they
well, a couple
plastic.
drag races.
Huh?
Well, a couple drag races. That's pretty cool.
A couple drag races.
Yeah, they still got a couple more drag races on.
What you want to do next?
Blow it up.
You done did that.
Again.
Again. What you doing here?
Hot in the boat.
Huh?
Hotting the boat.
Why you hot in the boat?
Cause
It sucks.
I'm getting these bolts. Die, spider, die.
You get new boats.
I got them.
Ain't that dangerous? Damn gas line. You ain't gonna burn through that. Damn things are invincible.
Sure.
You won't never go through that.
Sure.
Never. I don't think you ever go through the steering wheel. Remember, catch the middle of it on fire. JT.
No.
Come on.
I'm saving that for the Kennedys.
Huh?
I'm saving that for Cameron.
Why?
Because all you're gonna see is smoke and black tires.